In this video I will show you how to delete a folder, but not deleting, how to delete easily. Download EMCO Unlock It link below description. I am already download and install the software. See, I want to delete this folder, but it's not deleting. Let's see how to delete. Run EMCO Unlock It software. Click Unlock button, select folder you want to unlock, after select folder click OK. Click Yes button. See folder now unlock. Click Delete button to delete folder. See folder deleted successfully. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends.